Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add background music to video in Canva. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to add background music to video in Canva. First just go to Canva and log into your account. After that, select video. And then select the size or the style of the video you want. Okay, I will select video landscape 1920 by 1080. After that, you need to upload the video and the music as well. And after that, click uploads. If you will upload the music and the video from your laptop, just click upload files, and then you can upload the music and the video from your desktop. But if you already uploaded in Canva before, it will save in Canva and you can use them again. Okay, now for example here, if I click in the video section, you can see I have many different videos that I used before in different projects. Okay, for example, if this one, just double click, and then here just you can resize the video. Okay, and after that we need to upload the music. Okay, I will select audio because I have many audios here. Okay, now if for example this one, just drag and drop, and then here you reach the duration of the clip. Yeah, and then when you are happy with everything here, just click share and download, and be sure is MP4 video, and after that click download. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to add background music to video in Canva. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.